to the...
Awesome, high five! You got all the way through that this week.
Just need to add dynamics and the pedal.
Exactly. And then something else too that I want to talk about today, I actually was planning on talking about this, but is the difference between like rhythm and pulse in a song. So like how would you describe rhythm? Because you've heard that word a million times
before. We're that on band. Because we're a band, we have to get it on the pulse instead of the da 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 da, and so it changes and it's not the... Like if your tempo is like, your rhythm is just...
Yeah, so rhythm, like how would you describe rhythm? What,
rhythm
if I was the
like
student,
a combination of notes.
Yeah, it's like the values of the notes. Like what are these right here? Like what would you call those? What's like the rhythm of that?
Not eighth note.
They're almost like eighth notes, so there's a 3 there, so you're actually playing triplets. Meaning like tri is 3, so 3 notes per quarter note, right? Because you have like 4 sections of triplets. How about what's the rhythm right here?
Maybe
it's a half note, so you hold it for how long? Is it 2 counts? Yeah, so that's what the rhythm is. But what are you learning in band? Like what did your teacher tell you pulse was?
He's like, pulse is, you guys need to be on the pulse, because we're like the beat to you, and then you play a little afterwards. It's the beat of the song, I guess is it?
Yeah, the pulse is, it's like the beat, it kind of helps it to flow. Yeah, so here, if you want to scoot over a second, I'll show you, I'm going to play this part of the song 2 different ways, and you tell me which one sounds better, okay? This has to do with like the pulse. So, here's the first one.
So it's all connected instead of a da.
Yeah, it kind of like flows better. And also before I was kind of like speeding up or slowing down, and like it wasn't all one like speed together. And so I noticed like when you play it, it's, you know, you have the notes down and you're playing it, but sometimes you might have to like pause, and that'll just come with practice. But you want to get it so it can just flow.
practicing that right now. I just
Exactly.
got through the song
Yeah.
2 days ago, so
Mhm.
now I'm adding in the pedal.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. So I want to kind of focus on this section since we haven't talked about this right here much. So go ahead, start from there and play.
Ah. I can't do that.
Okay, that's okay. Here, I want to focus on the rhythm. So before playing it, let's go ahead and clap it together. So let's just clap. Yep. And then that would be an F sharp. So you see how there's a chord here. The nice thing is it like doesn't even move, and instead of playing the chord, it's just having you break it apart. Yeah, just like that. Sweet. So you want to clap the rhythm with me? I'll just say it once you're ready to go. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, we didn't clap those. We both paused. That's fine. Okay, let's start over and do it. Let's do both of the lines. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, the triplets are kind of hard. Da, 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 da. Yeah, just like that. So taking that rhythm, I want you to play just like that. Just the 2. Slow it down, you can. 2. Just like, come on down. Awesome, that was better. So let's do it again, and we'll do it a little bit slower, and then I'm gonna clap with you just to help you keep the pulse. Okay, so 1, 2, ready, go. 2. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. It'll come in time with the notes, but.
Yeah.
And then here, let me get a pencil, because this might help. Remember that is F sharp. So whenever you have a sharp, you remember it carries over. And so same with there, that C sharp, it carries over. So you're playing the exact same notes, but just broken apart. Okay. And then I want to try something else with you. So these right here, I noticed you're playing them like a little bit like faster. Just because, you know, naturally we want to go just play them because it kind of sounds fun and cool. But go ahead. We're just going to pick a random chord. Where do you want me to start? Just pick a note. C? Okay, so I'll start with C. So I'm just going to go. You see how they're very even? Can you play that for me? Okay, now let's move up 1. So how about play D? Okay, and then how about an E? I like that. And then how about on F? Oh, the trick though, you want to keep it steady, so even slower. Yeah. Okay, awesome. try that here. Just play. Just do those. Awesome. And that same speed, start from the beginning. So we're about going. Awesome. Pause. Let's do it one more time. So start from there. 1, 2, ready, go. That's okay. F sharp. And then one other thing, so this chord, yeah, go ahead and play this. I think it's different than what you're doing. There you go. There you go. That's it. I think you might have been playing that further. Okay, so does that help a little bit? So whenever you feel like, because these sometimes you want to play faster, just remember to go like. That's just an exercise. Awesome. So I have a little game I wanted to play with you. Hold on, let me get it. Okay. I don't know how hard or easy this is going to be for you, but see, I'm going to count in my head and see if you can do this in less than a minute. And then write in all the notes on, like, in those little, like, bubbles or whatever. So that's the first part of the game. Okay, ready, go. I'm just gonna count in my head. Oh, there's a clock. Oh. Awesome, I actually think that was exactly 30 seconds. So you got it. Okay, let's see, then I'm going to write in, just make it more challenging, a few notes. Because you know how, so sometimes you have notes that are on this staff, but even in this song, there are notes that are like above, right? You don't have notes here, they're even like up higher. So. Do that one. And that one.
Those are the most annoying.
I know, because then you have to like really like think about what they are. Okay, so then this is a little bit harder, but there's those three, those, and then I'll see if you can put it out, because I know they're. Alright, and then those two.
Now I can't remember that. I can. Okay. I'll be able to. No, because.
I think it's close. So yeah, something that helps me is I just like look at the bottom so that we know that one's G way down here, right? So one below would be F, and then two below would be E. So you're close. I think you were just thinking up. Awesome. Yeah.
Okay.
You got it. Sweet. So, and then just for fun, go ahead on piano. Find. Yeah, I was gonna say.